We won't stop until your cargo arrives safely. Our innovation won't stop. For your successful business, digital logistics innovation for sustainable logistics. Samsung SDS Global Logistics Service. From IT consulting, solution, cloud, and Gen AI, we provide optimized IT services for each industry. With logistics operation know-how of global Samsung, from international, local transport to distribution center operation, we provide globally integrated logistics services. That's why Samsung SDS Logistics is special. Our advanced logistics centers are based on Cello, the integrated logistics platform. To materialize thorough automation from storage to retrieval. From arranging inventory, packaging, loading to delivery, we recommend optimal space and route with minimal costs. We monitor unexpected risks with IoT technologies, while sensing external risks fast with AI data analysis. Also, we can respond swiftly anywhere in the world by locating affected cargo. Our digital logistics innovation can lead you to have special logistics experience. From quote, booking to billing, you can handle all processes easily at Cello Square. Not only real-time cargo location and shipment tracking. With a conversation with Gen AI, risk sensing, quote search, cargo tracking info are all quickly searchable. Samsung SDS has been thinking over, how can we support customers to make decisions faster for a better business? The answer is to provide data-driven predictive info and insights. When will the cargo arrive? How's in-transit inventory by product? How much the container costs will be? What's monthly ocean air freight rate? How much carbon is emitted and how to reduce? From changes in cargo volume and logistics cost to carbon emissions, it helps you expand the logistics visibility. Our digital logistics innovation expands the logistics boundary to make your business successful. Samsung SDS Global Logistics Service.